In this video, I will show you how you can use your image within Midjourney. Now, this is actually very simple, so let's get started. First of all, I want to say you can either go to the Discord server of Midjourney or go to midjourney.com and then go to Explore. So I personally prefer the web interface, so let's get started with that. Now, first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to this prompt bar over here. So as you can see, you see what will you imagine, and here is where you can type your prompt. But actually, we need to tap on this little image icon on the left side of the prompt bar, so you can add images to your prompt. Tap on that, and here you can see all of your uploads. So these are all of the images that I've uploaded to Midjourney. You can manage all of your uploads by going to your username, then tapping on those three dots and tapping on manage uploads. But what we actually want to do is we want to upload a file to Midjourney. So we can either upload an image that we took or just an image of the internet, just like a Bob Ross painting. You can save this image to your computer by right-clicking on it and then pressing save, or just upload your own image that you took. So let's tap on this button right here, and let's actually upload the image. So I uploaded an image, or a painting actually, of Vincent van Gogh. So what I need to do right now is I need to tap on this, and now Midjourney selected the image. So what they are basically doing right now is selecting this image as a style reference. So you have three options when you hover over this image. As you can see, you have three options, and first is the image icon, which basically allows you to use this image as a whole image prompt. So basically it takes this whole image as an inspiration or a reference. What you also can do is you can use the style of the image. So for example, if it's a water painting, it will only use this water as a painting, or maybe if it's an ultra realistic photo, you can select only the style if you want it to be ultra realistic. And what you can do is you can select a character. So if you like the character, like this one for example, you can select that. But in this case, I want to use the whole image as a reference. So what I can do right now is I can just type my prompt. I don't have to put painting because Midjourney automatically recognizes that it is a painting in this case. So what I need to do right now is I need to type mountains, or let's say a lake with mountains at sunset. Let's say this, and then just press enter. But before you press enter, you can also select the filters over here, and here you can change the aesthetics, so the stylization. If you want to stylize it more, you can just play around with those numbers. You can change the image size just like this. You can change the model standard versus raw. Raw is a bit more realistic, which I like, to be honest. And you can change the version, of course, but let's just keep it at the basic settings and just press enter. Now let's go to create over here, and now Midjourney is creating our image. So let's actually wait a bit. And as you can see, now Midjourney generated 4 images that look like this style. Alright, so as you can see, the style is basically the same as the painting. As you can see, there's weird, or this, I don't know how you can, say this, but it looks the same. It also generated, something like Vincent van Gogh as well, but these are quite good in my opinion. If you are satisfied with this image, for example, you can go to upscale over here and you can select subtle. Basically what you do is you just create a higher resolution version of this image, which allows you to download the image in high quality, as well as be able to share this image. What you also can do is you can just close this right here, is go to an image you like in the Explore tab. For example, this style, if you like this, then you can tap on this image, and you can, as you can see in the right bottom corner of my screen, we see use. So we can tap on use the image, use the style, or use the prompt. What we can do is we can use the prompt, for example, as you can see, animation cell. And what we can do is we can change this, for example, with another person. And what we can do is just press enter to generate the same image. So we can see the prompt of other people, which is pretty cool. So let's actually see how this looks. And as you can see, that looks pretty cool. That looks pretty, like the other image that we just saw over here. That is pretty cool. So that is basically how you can use your images or other images of other people as a style reference for Midjourney. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.